In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your birthday private on Facebook. Alright, let's start by opening up Facebook and making sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main page, go ahead and click on your profile so you can access your personal information and settings. Now that you're on your profile, look for the settings and privacy option and click on it. This will expand a menu with more settings, and from there we're going to select See More in Account Center. Go ahead and click that, and it will take you into the area where Facebook manages account level details. Once you're inside Account Center, look for Account Settings and click on it. This section contains different personal information options, including things like your name, contact info, and birthday. Now go ahead and click on Personal Details. At this point, you'll see a list of your basic profile information, and we want to focus on the birthday section. Click on Birthday, and this will open the settings related to how your birthday is displayed and who can see it. Inside the birthday settings, look for the option that says Who can see your birthday on Facebook? Click on that and then select Change Visibility on Facebook. This is where you can control who is allowed to view your birthday information. Once you've opened the visibility settings, click on the date option and you'll see the available choices for who can see your birthday. Go ahead and select the option that makes your birthday private or limits visibility to your preference. After selecting your desired option, click Save to apply the changes. Once that's done, your birthday visibility settings will be updated, and the people you selected will be the only ones able to see your birthday information on Facebook. And that's really all there is to it. You start by going to Facebook, opening your profile, heading into Settings and Privacy, clicking See More in Account Center, going to Account Settings, selecting Personal Details, opening Birthday, choosing who can see your birthday on Facebook, changing the visibility, selecting your preferred option, and then saving your changes. It's a straightforward process and it gives you full control over who can view your birthday on your profile. If you ever want to adjust it again, you can always come back to the same place and update the visibility settings whenever you need. So now your birthday is set to the privacy level you're comfortable with, and you've successfully controlled who can see it on Facebook.